Something. So we are still in the middle of a tornado warning, and I feel like we might die. So yeah, you never know. Maybe it's just a cockroach. Cockroach hit a button and whole tornado siren came off.
Yeah, I mean maybe by some coincidence.
A cockroach.
Somebody was going on their lunch break, They left the door open.
And a cockroach got in?
No, there's a slight gust of wind. And maybe a piece of trash or a water bottle got picked up, hit the little siren button.
Some waste of some kind.
And it started going wee.
Some sort of trash. And then it just started raining for no reason.
Yeah, God's not happy.
Yeah, he's sad. I think Jesus died.
I think his girlfriend.
Yeah.
Caitlin, what's your opinion?
Opinionize yourself. How do you think this? Oh, okay. You think we're not gonna die?
Yeah, we're not gonna die.
Caitlin, what's your middle name?
Brianna.
Caitlin Brianna Sammons does not think we're gonna die.
How is that two first names?
Brianna's the first name and Caitlin Brianna.
Duh.
I don't.
Stupid.
Ricky Bobby.
He's like Ricky Bobby.
My parents get to decide what to call me.
Neither could mine. Mine were gonna name me Jose.
I'm gonna name you Jake.
Mine were thinking of Justin or Jordan.
Yeah, my sister was.
And if it had been Justin, I would have been so mad.
Yeah, because then you guys would have the same name.
No, because Justin Bieber. Because Justin Bieber.
Then everyone would call you Justin Bieber.
Stupid.
You don't even look like Justin Bieber.
Thank you. Do you know how many comments that's gonna get? The fact that I actually do look like Bieber. Aaron's gonna be like.
Do you take that as a compliment?
Tag him in this, not really, but Aaron's gonna be like he does.
Yeah, I was either gonna be named Drew or Jake.
My middle name is Drew. Oh, okay, whatever. I'll just record myself. My shoes. Goodbye, size 10s.
That jerk.
Yeah.
White boy.
Ready? Yeah, jerk.
Justin,
Yeah,
you're the
jerk.
jerk.
Do the dump truck. Ready? Let's dump truck it. Ready? We.
It's an
Oh my god, I'm gonna die
Why
with.
isn't the
Yeah, it kinda is.
the desk?
I'm gonna die with this pocket for it, with this thing.
They might die too.
Shh, I'm recording Mr. Hicks. Hi, Mr. Hicks.
Haley, if the roof falls, you could get paralyzed from the waist down.
The waist
I may
down.
advise you to get your gluteus maximus.
Yeah, if the roof falls,
The waist.
all dead.
The waist. The waist down.
You too.
Then we're all dead.
No, we are.
There we are.
Sit.
I am taking precautionary measures
Precautionary measures, yes.
to be a proactive.
Proactive is the acne medicine. You ready to sing, Justin? I can see clearly now the rain has gone. It does sound that true.
Yeah, it's
No, well, this is there's built to like they'll build like a bomb.
Dude, how long is this video? It's gonna be like 10 minutes.
Right? God dang. I bet you this is the part where they're getting bored. The people that are watching, they're getting bored and they're probably like, oh, I
We
think
should do something.
we need to do something awesome. Yeah, don't.
Exit out this video.
Okay.
Exit out this video. I'll find you.
Okay.
Your first one child.
Yeah, but we're not.
Eat your first. It's called an abortion.
It's called cannibalism.
Unless it's just a fetus, then it's an abortion.
What kind of case is that?
Does anybody not know what an abortion is?
Green case.
I can explain it right now.
An abortion is?
Yeah.
Everyone knows what abortion
Everyone
is.
knows what that is.
Hey,
I asked my mom.
are you
No,
pro
moms fail.
or anti?
Kind of both.
Oh.
You.
God,
No, you're evil.
No, I asked my mom.
Oh my god, how did you get...
Justin. I asked my mom what abortion was. She sat me down for 30 minutes and explained.
But when you were a baby.
Here you go. I don't like it.
You don't like my case?
No, it's annoying.
Yeah, I like that case. I'm gonna say...
Like, I'm a dude and it looks kind of gay.
You don't like green?
Hey, can I have
Oh, it's your eye.
have a case?
Shut up.
No, this one.
No, I want.
I'm recording Mr. Hicks again.
No.
Hey, Jeff.
Otherwise it'd be like bigger.
Jeffrey Bonua, my older brother. Mr. Hicks says hi.
They are. These are just like this.
Dude, get back in your thing.
Dude, you're gonna die.
You're gonna die.
You're gonna die. The roof's gonna collapse on you.
And we're all gonna throw a party. I mean, be very sad.
I'm gonna throw a party.
I'm gonna throw a party. Why would you throw a party if you died?
So if I I die, I'm gonna haunt. At least 5 years.
Are you gonna haunt me?
No, I love you, man.
Love you too.
Next thing you know, everybody be up. Sit down, please. On the floor. Thank you.
Anthony, you're not very well protected.
I know, Anthony's like.
Anthony, and I'm not going to
Jordan,
This is a great time for you all to play games on your phone. That's what I think.
play games on our phone.
Wait, we can play games?
I don't care what you do as long as you stay.
Can we play on the computers?
No.
Wait, we can't do it.
Yay! I can openly record our desk.
Kaylin.
Hey, Raina.
We can play on the computers. He said no.
What?
Hey, Erica.
It just passed. See?
It passed us?
Look, we're in that little triangle. Okay. Kaylin, that's your camera.
Blurry.
Got it. Okay. So if you don't know, we're about right there where my finger is, and looks like it's just passing now. So.
Yeah,
So we live.
we're news reporters. We're weather men and
Well,
Caitlins.
actually, looks like it's yeah.
We're in Marietta.
See
We're not
where
in
the,
Kennesaw.
see where the 75 symbol is? That's where we are.
We're at the 75.
The 75 symbol.
Yeah, you didn't know
So
that?
it's still right there.
Do you not know where your school is?
Yes, it's in Marietta.
Yeah, that's actually right.
Yeah, that is right.
Okay. Hey,
We're
Anthony.
checking the weather.
Why do you always smile like that? He's like,
It's just what I do.
it's like his pedo smile.
Wait for which one on the floor?
Mr. Hicks, do you think we'll be okay?
What? I don't have my phone.
What is Pastor?
Jordan.
What?
Lowercase c.
Oh, I wasn't. Okay, I'm sorry.
It was taking a video.
You said we could play games.
Yeah, he's just videoing me.
He got mad.
Will you sign a waiver? I guess he won't sign a waiver. I don't think Mr. Hicks likes me that much.
Yeah, I don't think he likes me either.
Do you think he hates
Where's
me?
this a cheating?
With a passion. I know, you said you were cheating. You're like a
Yeah.
goody-goody. How can goody-goody just cheat?
I didn't.
Well-
I know that.
Yeah, you did.
I
You
didn't.
asked me what the answer was.
I mean, I saw you looking at me for the paint candle.
Justin,
Because I didn't know
you're not talking.
we were both cheating.
Okay, so as soon as this video hits 8 minutes, we are going to stop, and we have about 30 seconds left. So those of you at home that stopped at the 3-minute mark, you missed out on about 5 minutes of
And
entertainment.
if you're still watching, you are one of the very few, and I want you to give me an internet high five.
You guys suck at life.
And if you just put your hand up to your iPod or your iPhone or your screen, I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. If you did it. If you did it. Me too.
Can I get a hot tub?
That's the Doritos. No, that's State Farm. Okay, bye. It's 8 minutes, 1 second, 2, 3.